Women in South Africa have only been practicing law for the past century following the promulgation of the Women Legal Practice Act in 1923. And in commemorating this milestone, people like Desiree Finga, the first black woman to be admitted as an attorney in 1967, Irene Jeffen, the first woman advocate in 1923, and Constance Mary Hall, the first female attorney in 1926, were honored.
This month, April 2023, marks 100 years since the passing of that act. And in that time, many women have been admitted to the legal profession as attorneys, advocates, notaries public, and conveyancers.
And I am certainly proud to be a part of that collective of women who are leading government institutions or departments like the Auditor General in our country, the Directors General in the President, in State Security Agency, the head of IPID, which investigates corruption in the police, the head of our Financial Intelligence Center, amongst others. Today, almost half of our judges and magistrates are women.
When these judgments were handed down, the composition of the court, it was males. They were interpreting a law that was drafted by males. And at the time, those males were prejudiced against the rights of a woman.
Some of those in attendance highlighted the challenges women in the legal fraternity still face in this day and age. These include being overlooked in some of the big cases and sexual harassment. The granddaughter of Desiree Finga, the first black woman attorney, says her grandmother was constantly undermined as a lawyer. She highlighted some of the challenges her grandmother faced as a lawyer in the 1960s.
She used to be required to carry her certificate to when she was going to court, because most of the judges, they didn't believe that a black woman could actually be a lawyer, and they would actually call into the office to make sure and to check that this lady, Miss Finga, is actually a lawyer. And in one instance, there was actually a white judge, male judge, that had actually stopped the proceedings and requested that they get confirmation from another white male attorney to confirm that my grandmother was in fact an attorney.
Despite the rate of transformation within the judiciary being slow, the women in law have vowed to be the change they want to see happening in their profession. Offense Estimo, SABC News, Pretoria.